From raw material to game-ready gear, this is Field to Factory. Like the video, share it, and subscribe for more powerful sports manufacturing stories.
We've got the pickup points locked in, the wheel path layout looks solid. Verified. The hub center line is perfect for the long travel.
The rig moves through rebound, allowing us to validate the shock mounting angle and steering clearance across the entire travel path. Here in the validation lab, we cycle the control arm through peak stress loads, ensuring the reinforced construction meets our rigorous desert racing standards. The hydraulic rig applies upward force, followed by intense, sideways pressure to test lateral stability. To handle the extreme demands of Baja racing, every component is meticulously crafted. Here we see the internal damping system being fitted. Under simulated Baja loads, the bypass design is critical. We're monitoring the oil flow through these transparent lines to ensure pressure stability and heat control. This is where the bypass valve system takes over, controlling the damping force through precise compression and rebound.
This is the internal damping piston, precision machined for maximum oil flow. The shim-stack contact surface ensures precise compression and
As the piston drives down, the electric blue fluid is forced through the ports, providing the critical damping force that smoothly controls the rebound. The ultra-realistic detail highlights the precision engineering of this polished, high-strength shaft, built to withstand massive impact loads. Simulating the brutal conditions of the Baja, the system must demonstrate consistent damping support under extreme heat and pressure. We are simulating a massive impact here. Watch the heavy-duty coils compress, demonstrating the spring's incredible resilience and rebound support. Heat-treated and precision ground, these coils are built to withstand the punishing impacts of the Baja Desert, ensuring optimal rebound support. The fatigue test ensures the spring can withstand repeated impacts under simulated desert racing conditions, monitoring heat and durability. Spring rate is critical. By adjusting the preload collar, we fine-tune the compression resistance and ensure proper corner weight balance.
we're setting the preload collars to the target ride height. This is crucial for the corner weight balance and ensuring the compression resistance needed for those brutal desert whoops.
The hydraulic bump stop is a critical safety component, absorbing the final violent impacts with its internal piston and nitrogen pressure control. Essential for desert racing, these heavy-duty limit straps feature thick woven webbing and reinforced stitching, absorbing the load at full suspension droop. This heavy-duty forged knuckle is the heart of the trophy truck suspension. Its reinforced structure is engineered to survive the most brutal desert impacts. The forged steel knuckle undergoes extreme stress testing. We simulate the massive impact loads experienced during a Here we see the fabrication of the steering link. We thread the adjuster body onto the heavy-duty tubing, ensuring the rod ends are proper. The heavy-duty rack housing is designed to withstand extreme impact, ensuring precise control over rocks and high-speed corners. This professional sway bar system is crucial for desert racing. The thick torsion bar and rugged end links manage body roll while allowing long travel suspension. The sway bar undergoes a controlled twist and load test. Sensors meticulously check the torsion strength and roll control behavior. Precision engineering is critical here. The reinforced tubes and gusset plates ensure survival over the toughest Baja whoops. Focusing on the radius rod component, these precision rod ends and threaded adjusters are essential for rear wheel stability and alignment. Here we see the controlled pull and push tests. The sensors analyze rod end strength and bending resistance under simulated desert racing loads. Focusing on the chassis connection points, the engineering here is designed for maximum force transfer and durability. The impact is immense, transferring thousands of pounds of force directly into the chassis. But these reinforced brackets and tabs are engineered to withstand the brutal punishment. We utilize high-powered lasers and precise bending to create these deflection surfaces, ensuring the chassis and suspension arms. The reinforced underbody plates undergo extreme impact and abrasion testing. Sensors meticulously check for dent resistance and durability against repeated heavy strike forces. This setup ensures the tire remains planted, distributing pressure evenly to handle the extreme whoops of the desert race. We're looking for that perfect footprint, bleeding off a few PSI here to widen the contact patch, then dialing in the camber for maximum traction. Laser precision is critical for maintaining stability. We utilize these gauges to dial in the exact caster and...
We're at negative 1.5 degrees camber.
Okay, lock that down and let's check the toe with the laser.
The alignment rig cycles the suspension through full compression and rebound, anodizing the precise toe movement and camber change under load. Getting the perfect setup means meticulously dialing in the bypass and compression. Then we cycle the shocks hard to simulate those massive desert jumps. The system utilizes reinforced upper and lower control arms and massive long-travel coilover shocks with external bypasses for ultimate control. Assembling the long-travel system requires meticulous precision, especially with the external bypass shocks and remote reservoirs.